Today, we're gonna taste this Toscano Pepato. This is the cheese that I made a little over a month ago. It's an Italian cheese. I got the recipe from Home Cheese Making. It says you can eat it at the 1 month mark for a more moist cheese and then age it up to a year or longer, I'm assuming, if you want something drier. Just gonna cut into it. I wanna find out like where I stand with this cheese. I am a little bit worried that, well, remember it overheated in the press, so we'll see if that makes it at all rubbery. It feels soft and pliable like this, but I'm afraid it's gonna be rubbery. So, let's see. There's a little bit of mold around the outside, which doesn't bother me. It smells spicy. Here, can you smell? Just kidding. See that blue, those blue lines in the creases? And you can see it down here a little bit, but that's no big deal at all. And it's not wet at all. It feels like a very dry cheese. I'm so curious about this one. This one is like fascinating to me. Okay, I guess we just cut into it and see what it's like. Look at that. It's soft. It smells a little bit young still, which it should. It's like the peppers are running through it. And it's a smooth paste. It actually doesn't have very many holes. When I say it smells young, how to describe that? It's like, there's just a little bit of a brightness to it. Not a bad smell, it just doesn't have a warmth depth to it. It's more like a light, bright hit. I don't know how to compare that. It smells good. It's a little bit elastic. It's really of a chew. This is definitely not too much rennet. It was 3/4 teaspoon of rennet. It's a 6+ gallons of milk. Whatever I said in my video. I didn't record it here, I guess. There's no bad taste. There's nothing like off or funky. I'm not sure I like the chewness though. I just ate one of the anchos. Ooh, it's a little bit of heat. It's nice. It's like a smoky, robust flavor. That chew. No, there's a piece of, it doesn't have chew. Whatever that means. Am I eating it at the spot where it was heated up? I don't wonder where that spot is. I don't even know. Hey, Nicole, you want to come try this? Have a taste.
I'm hungry.
Here.
I'm hungry.
Taste it. This is the, here. Come on. It's not too salty.
Ooh.
Hang on.
It
It tastes good. I think it tastes good. I think it needs to be aged longer. But it's like this toughness to it. Like,
It's a really long word.
I am talking. You took my stool, Nicholas.
I just told you that.
It's not too spicy, I don't think. But there is a little bite. But it could have more in and be fine. Or maybe this will intensify over the next few months. I had a cheese that was in the cheesecake. It was labeled rubbery. I thought it had too much of an elastic, a little bit too tight of a texture. I got it out a few months later and tried it and it was perfect. So maybe this just needs to be more ripened.
It's like a spicy sweet.
It's like spicy sweet. There's nothing funky about it. I think it would probably be very good in a grilled cheese. It's good. There's not anything really exciting about it. Do you think it needs to have more anchos in it?
I don't know what that is.
The anchos are the peppers that are like this. More black pepper?
Maybe a little black pepper.
More black pepper?
Just a little. But it tastes fine. Doesn't need to be spicy.
Yeah, it's just a cute cheese. All right, I'm gonna seal this back up and age it longer. I'm going to cut this into wedges. I'll take this off for eating.
More than that. Can we have some more slices?
What?
Can you come get a few more slices?
Yeah, I'm gonna try this slice right here. There's a lot of black pepper in this one. It has a whole bunch of black pepper. And I've always been curious if the peppercorn is gonna be too crunchy when you eat it. It doesn't break your teeth at all. It's a soft, it's become somewhat soft. It has nice heat. Those bigger pieces. It doesn't interfere with the texture flavor at all when you have the larger crunches of pepper. Just to note, and I like the heat. That's good. It's too hard. I think it's too hard. It's just a harder cheese. It doesn't melt in your mouth. So right there, those peppers. It's pretty. I like the look of it. Just too rubbery. Maybe just have more fat in it? I don't know.
Don't say you don't know.
But I don't know. In the very center, it's more creamy in the very center. That's interesting, huh? Yeah, the texture's better in the very center. A lot better. So, what does that mean? We'll age it and see what happens. Maybe it will change. You took all my crackers.